to show you how to play Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus in the key of C. It's a classic gospel song and chorus. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of C, and the melody starts on E. E, E, G, E, D, C, 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 F, 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 A, F, E, D, E, F, G, 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 E, D, C, 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 D, E, D, E, F, E, D, C. Now this song starts with the chorus, and then it goes to the verse, and then I come back and go through the chorus one more time. So here's the verse. E, E, D sharp, E, G, F, E, E, D, A, C, B, C, E, D, G, E, 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 D sharp, E, A, G, E, E, D, D, A, E, F sharp, G, B, C, A, G, G, A, B, C, D, and then we're back to the chorus. Now in the key of C, it's going to work best for low voices but this is easy to play. If you're not singing it, it's an easy key to play it in. So the bass, the left hand, you're going to have C, E, and G. So a C chord. Then we're going to go to an E minor chord, but we're going to put the E in the middle. Here's your E minor chord. Your C chord, of course, is 1, 3, 5 on C. Your E minor is 1, 3, 5 on E. And then we're going to go to an A minor chord, which is 1, 3, 5 on A. Then we're just going to have an open fifth on F, C, D, and a D minor open fifth, and then a G7. Now your G7 is 1, 3, 5, 7. We're just going to play, in this case, we're just going to play the 1, the 5, and the 7. So it's G, D, F. So that chorus, and you put it together, and it's... Now what the bass is doing is walking down there. C, B, A, F, D, G. So we're just going to walk that down, but we're going to put the chords with it. There's an E minor with B in the bass, A minor, all the way up the arpeggio. C, A, C, E, A. Then we've got the F and the F, C. Going down to a D minor. Now here's your D minor, D, F, A. So we've got the D and the A and the F, E. So there you got G, D, F. And you could play G, B, F. But I don't like the sound of that B in there as well as the D. Then we got E, F. Then we go back to C chord, E minor with the B in the bass. Now we got our A minor. Okay. Now we changed the chord a little bit there from that A minor to we got a G sharp and an F and a C. So we go from an F minor to... See, here's your F minor. And we've got the A, the G sharp in the bass. If it was really a true F minor, we'd call it an F, A flat, C. But here I've got it inharmonically spelled with a G sharp in the bass and an F here and the C right there. So it's a beautiful sound. Back to C major, G7, and back to C major. And then we're into the verse section. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do some of the same chords. C chord to an F chord with F in the middle. F, A, C. We're putting the C on the bottom. To the D minor. Back to the C. And to a G7. Now the G7 is G, B, D, F, but in this case I'll put the B in the bass, play the third of the chord, 1, 3, put it down there. We'll skip the D altogether and just play the F right here, because we don't need that, because we're going to get the D in the melody anyway. The verse, here we go slowly. And wait for this chord to come up to the G right there. So it'll sound like this. And the C chord again. So right here you've got a little appoggiatura, non-harmonic sound. You jump up to the E and then it resolves to the D. So you've got your G7. Then you can hear that non-harmonic dissonance right there. And it resolves immediately to the G, to the D. Very, very nice sound. We go from a C chord, F chord to a. Now this is actually probably it's probably a augmented 6 chord. You got, you know, that kind of a sound right there. So, but all we're going to play is the C, the F sharp, and the A, and then we've got the E in the melody. This two ways. You could go from there to here if you want close harmony, to the G and the B there, or if you want it to separate the harmony, you can put the G in the bass. Now the problem with that is you've got parallel fifths, so you may not like that sound. See, here you go, you're going from fifth closer. So either way, I've got it written this way. I usually play it this way. And then you come right out of that with a G7 to a G, D, and we'll have a scale that'll be like a little interlude scale. And we're back to the melody. To do on this last time through, I like to arpeggiate the left hand. And slow it down just a little bit. And then I like to put a little turn right here. And then arpeggiate the C chord. So you hit the C, and then you just go C, E, G, C, E, G, C, and hold it. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, key of C. I hope you enjoy playing it. It's a beautiful piece.